Hi there. So we have Procreate opened up and we're going to start our first document for this first project. I'm going to click the plus sign, which is in the top right corner, and right below that you'll notice new canvas. You'll want to push the black rectangles that are kind of rounded with the plus sign, and then we're going to bring this up. And so you can do a tall format, but because you're doing 3 aliens, if you do a tall format, they'll need to be very thin, but that doesn't mean that you couldn't do that. But for most people, the width should be the largest number. So this document is 1800, so I'm going to put in 1800. And it is 1200 tall, so 1200. Just to give you an understanding of what that might be in inches, it's 4 inches by 6 inches. And we're going to do a DPI, that's dots per inch, of 300. We'll type in that right below, and you'll notice that you have 865 layers, so that should get you done with this project. Now, let me just tell you that project 2 and 3 are the same size. They are 2400 by 3600 pixels, and that is 8 inches by 12 inches to just give you an understanding. So when you're developing those projects, you will change the width and height specifically to those numbers. And obviously you'll keep your DPI at 300. The DPI is really important. I know most of you have a Photoshop class called Raster Plus Image, where we're going to be going into in-depth understanding of what DPI or PPI means. But 300 means that it's high resolution, so when you print it out, it's not going to be pixelated. It's going to be very smooth. All right, so once we do that, we can hit create. And once we hit create, we're going to want to go ahead and maybe drop in one of your sketches. So to do that, you're going to go right next to gallery. In the left-hand corner, there's a little wrench. You're going to click on that, and I am going to click add, and I'm going to click insert photo, and I have dropped in my sketches, so I can use those to draw from. So I'll drop those in and I'll be able to get started. Obviously you'll want to create this on its own separate layer and lock it just like we did in Illustrator. All right, thank you. Bye.